Hey, what is up, everybody? I wanted to get started on this because I'm getting ready to head to New York, and I wanted to make sure that I had a start for this video. My Uber should be here in about 10 minutes. It's a little bit after noon right now. They're supposed to pick me up at 12:30, so I'm trying to get myself together so I can walk out the door. Need to shut down my work laptop and everything so I can take this with me for the flight. My flight's not until like 3:30 this afternoon, but or that's boarding time. So I want to make sure I get there early. It's gonna take me probably about 30 or 40 minutes this time of day to get there. So leaving out in well enough time. I should get there a little bit after 1, which is good because I do have some meetings this afternoon that I need to get ready for, and I can do that. Plus I haven't had anything to eat for lunch and stuff like that, so while I'm getting ready to get on the plane, I can do that. So as I am heading out though, I am looking forward to the holidays. Christmas is coming up next week, and you know, I love to spend time with family this time of year.
You don't see nothing yet?
And I'm hoping that you all are able to do that as well. Hopefully you have some friends or some loved ones that you can spend time with, because it's important, right? And if you don't, and I see my Uber pulling up now, if you don't have time or those people available, you can follow along with me on this journey, because you know, we're family here on this channel. So I'm here, and certainly will be bringing you all along with me so that you can share in this. So like I said, my Uber is here, so I need to finish packing up and get out the door. He's early though, because he's not supposed to be here till 12:30, but I guess on time. If you on time, you're late. All right. Show my mic on. Yep. All right, we heading out. And here we go. Make sure I got my door locked and all that kind of stuff. As we head out, pretty great out today. So, yes. Yeah, thanks for picking me up.
Yeah, that's what I do. 33,000 times.
Wow.
14 hours a day, 7 days a week for 9 years.
Wow. Yeah.
That's combined, Lyft and Uber.
Okay. It's pretty nice.
Pays the bills.
It does. I signed up to do some Uber. I haven't had a chance yet to do it because I'm always traveling for work a lot more than I thought I would be. So I haven't had a chance yet.
I have met a lot of interesting people.
I'm sure.
Just never know.
Yes. People exist for one another. Marcus Aurelius. Whenever I travel, I like to take a moment to just think, wonder about stuff, and really just be in the moment, you know? Especially around this time of year, I feel super thankful, and more than anything, I try to just be present. Christmas? Yup, it's my absolute favorite. I love it because I get to give. It reminds me how important family is, even if traveling can be kind of a pain. But honestly, it's worth it every single time. I do it for them because it makes me happy. And since I'm traveling anyway, why not put my new Pocket 3 to the test? I don't really have much to complain about, but there are a few things that I gotta cover. Let me start off with Face Auto Detect. It's very, very good, giving you the help you need when solo, but sometimes it loses you if your face goes out of frame. So you gotta look at the screen every now and then and double check to make sure that it's recording the right thing. So the gimbal on the Pocket 3 is pretty nice and my videos look smooth and stable. I mean, even if you're walking or moving around, it's not shaky. Auto tracking is more than good too. It keeps whoever or whatever you're filming right in the middle of the shot, which is good, especially if you're new to vlogging like me or just messing around. I'm really just getting started using the Pocket 3, but I've been using it for a little while now, like a few weeks, and I don't feel like I wasted my money. Not one bit. It's real easy to use, but if I had one real complaint, it would be that I want it to boot up a little faster when you turn it on. Anyway, these days I bring it everywhere I go and I record everywhere I am, because I never know what memory I might need. This way, I got them. Better yet, in 4K too.